Welcome back to iOS. So you have got a Hostinger VPS and maybe you have been experimenting, broke some configuration, or just want a completely fresh start without changing your operating system. Well, the good news is that you don't need to cancel or buy a new VPS. Hostinger has a built-in reinstall feature that wipes everything and gives you a clean slate in just a few minutes. So let me show you exactly how you would do it. But first, and this is really important, that this process will permanently delete everything on your VPS. So I'm talking about all of your files, all your configurations, any saved snapshots, databases, websites, and everything. So everything would be gone. There would be no recovery. So before you do this, make sure you have backed up everything you need and download your important files and export your databases, save your configuration files somewhere safe, and then you're good to go. All right, with that warning out of the way, let's do this. So first of all, you need to log into your Hostinger account and go to the VPS section from the left sidebar and click on the VPS that you want to reinstall. So I got only one VPS at the moment, so I will just click on this manage button. So this takes you to the VPS management panel. Now on the left sidebar, look for the OS and panel and click on that, and then click on the operating system. This is where you can see your current OS, that is Ubuntu in my case. And also this is where we will do the reinstall. And on this page at the bottom, you will see a section called Reinstall OS. So you just need to click on that. Here it says that this process will permanently erase all data on your VPS. So please make sure to back up any important data before proceeding. So here on this page, you will see a list of available operating systems. You can pick anyone from those as well. Since we want to keep same OS, so I'm going to just click on the reinstall. But in your case, if you want something else, some other OS, you can just select any other operating system and you can follow along. So let's just quickly click on the reinstall, and here again it is giving you a warning that all data would be lost. Click on that. I recognize that all my files will be deleted and cannot be restored. That's okay. Now click on the next button to proceed. Here it is asking for you to create a new root password because it would delete everything and create from scratch, and then it would need you to give them a new password so that they can set it for you, and then you will be able to use that password to access your VPS through terminal. So you can either pass it yourself or you can just click on this button that would generate the password. The password has been generated. Just click on this eye icon that would make it visible, and then select the password and copy it so that you could save it somewhere. Now hit the confirm button. You can see that it is saying recreating. So Hostinger will start reinstalling the OS, and this usually takes just a few minutes. So you might see a progress bar on the status indicator here. So just wait for it to complete and don't close the browser or navigate away so that you could monitor the progress. All right, the reinstall process is completed. So even it has reinstalled the OS, but still your IP address would stay same. You already got your new password that you will be using in your terminal. Now let's verify by using SSH. For that, go to the overview. Here you will get the IP address of your server, and here you will find the command that you are going to use to SSH into your remote server. Just click on that to copy it. Once it is copied, go back to your terminal and paste it. Press enter. So as I have used this IP address to SSH into my remote server already earlier, so there were some fingerprints stored in my computer. But now, as this is a fresh operating system and fingerprints are changed on the remote server, so if you face this issue, you just have to run this command first, ssh-keygen-r, and then your IP address. Let me copy my IP address that is here, paste it here, press enter. So it has found the fingerprint information and already updated the noun host file. And after that, if you run the same command again, this time it will allow you to access your remote server. You just have to type yes and press enter. And now enter your password here and press enter. We are in fresh system, no old files, no old configurations, completely clean. You can just run the command ls/home, press enter, and you see everything is empty and this is fresh start for you. And that's it. Your Hostinger VPS is now completely reset with a fresh operating system installation. This is super useful when you have been experimenting and things got messy, or if you are handing off a VPS to a different project and want to start clean. Remember, always backup before you do this. There is no undo button here. So if this helped you out, then please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more VPS and deployment tutorials. If you got any questions, drop them in the comments below. I will reply them for sure. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.